Hello and welcome to Peggy's Plants, coming to you from Central Florida. In today's video, I'd like to introduce and provide an honest review of the Barrina Indoor Mini Greenhouse with grow lights. Sold on Amazon, the Barrina Indoor Mini Greenhouse is advertised to come with everything you see here, to include a 4-tier metal plant shelf with locking wheels, thermal hygrometer to monitor temperature and humidity levels, programmable timer for the grow lights, 6 3-foot T8 full spectrum LED grow lights, and a durable EVA transparent cover to maintain warmth and humidity, creating an ideal environment for your plants. The reviews for this product are very good, as you can see here, so when they extended the offer to give an honest review in exchange for the product, I was happy to do so. So as you can see here, when the box arrived, everything arrived nice and tidy, packed, very well packed. Here is everything that came in the box: the cover, the poles for the stand, the shelves, even some shelf covers, an instruction manual in English, wheels, the timer, hygrometer, as well as the grow lights. So everything that was supposed to be in this package was. I was a little surprised by the weight of this package. It weighed a little over 40 pounds, and I wanted to put this upstairs, so I had to take everything out and make trips up and down the stairs. So just keep that in mind if you're buying this and you have a 2-level house. I also opted to put it on a waterproof mat to protect my wood floors just in case. The website said that this is easy to assemble, and I have to agree. I did find it to be very easy to assemble. I am not someone who likes putting things together. First step was just simply attaching the wheels to the pole. There's a little hole in one end, so you don't even have to worry about confusion there. And after you get the 4 poles together, you start adding your shelves. To figure out my desired shelf spacing, I simply put the size plant that I plan to have on that shelf on the shelf, and then that determined where I put the shelf above it. It made life really easy. The set also came with these little vinyl mats or plastic mats, which would definitely help with spills, and you don't have to worry about the mats blocking light from going from one level to the next. Now it was time to attach the grow lights. I've had grow lights like these before. They're very easy to work with. You plug one in and then that cord attaches into the next light, so very easy to work with. And they give you the option of either these zip ties or some cords to hang them from each shelf. I opted for the zip ties. And you talk about a complete kit. This kit even came with black Velcro to attach the excess cord to the pole, just to keep things aesthetically pleasing. Once I got everything plugged in, I turned on the grow lights, and this is what it looks like. I'm very happy with things so far. And each light did also come with a reflector to kind of direct the light in the area, in the direction you wanted. And here is the timer. You talk about an easy timer to use. I don't do well with timers, but this one was very easy and straightforward. The directions were wonderful, and I had no problem with this. Then I just added the transparent EVA cover, and as you can see, there is a zip door in the front. You can roll that up. There's a little loop so you can work with your plants and put that out of the way. Then if you go around to the sides, on each side you'll find a panel that can be opened. This helps to maintain the heat level and the humidity level. If you find that it's getting too hot in your mini grow house, or if the humidity level is a little higher than you need it, all you have to do is open one or both of these panels. And here's a look at the thermal hygrometer. All I had to do was open it up and put in fresh batteries, and it provides me with a constant reading of the temperature and humidity level. This is what it looks like. I went on and started adding my plants. I did put most of my lights to the back. I added reflectors so that most of the light is directed downward, but I put the lights to the back of the shelves so that I could have them a little closer to my plants and move my plants forward. since I needed my shelves a little closer because I needed a place to put my plants on moss poles. So this worked out absolutely perfectly for me because that's been a problem, having a nice humid place to display my plants that are on moss poles, the ones that need higher humidity levels. And that is what I decided to put in my mini greenhouse, was my anthurium that kind of enjoy those higher levels of humidity that I have been kind of keeping in my grow tent a lot. But this way I'm able to appreciate the plant while also maintaining the humidity level and the warmth that these plants like so much. I have had my plants in this Barrina indoor mini greenhouse for a week now, and so far I have to say that I am very pleased with this product. The humidity level has definitely been stable. The warmth, the temperature has definitely been maintained. The timer is working perfectly. It comes on every day. I have it going on and off during different times of the day, just in an effort to, one, conserve energy, and two, just to maintain the heat at a certain level. I don't want it too hot in there, and I don't want a lot of condensation either. So I have kind of figured things out in a way with the timer that I can maintain the warmth and the humidity that I want without leaving the light on all day long. Now, I do have a grow tent, which I love, and this by no means replaces my grow tent, but as a plant collector, I have a lot of plants that just prefer a little higher humidity and a little warmer temperatures than I keep my house, because I'm in Florida. I have the air conditioner going constantly, which does impact my humidity level as well as the temperature in the house. So with this greenhouse, my pickier plants are much happier. I'm noticing fewer problems with my leaves unfurling. And the biggest thing for me, the advantage of this greenhouse over my grow tent, is the plants, I can see them. I can enjoy my plants. I can look at them all day. I can see how they're doing. I can isolate them from bugs if I need to, from pests and things like that. So there's just a lot of ways that this mini greenhouse will definitely come in handy. And I have to say, it has delivered. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Barrina. You all stay well, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.